My name is Steven. I'm today here at Doodle Labs booth at AUVSI, and we're here to check out some of the stuff they have in the booth. Today they're showcasing the UXV Technologies SRoC controller with the Doodle Labs SRM module.
You want to see how it goes on? So inside one of these you have one of our mini mesh rider radios. On the table over here we have our whole lineup. We're excited to partner with UXV. We design data links and radios that go into all of these types of robotics platforms. They need controllers, and I think that's how we come together.
Yeah, I think some of the big benefits and possibilities is both the agnosticability, but also the way that you actually change the radio from different modules. So actually Doodle Labs has a wide variety of different radios for different frequencies. In this scenario, it gives you the possibility to actually change the radio that's designed for whatever robot. So today they have showcased some different robots, which you can see here. Sure. Having an agnostic radio and also an agnostic controller gives you the possibility to literally configure the controller and the radio for the mission profile and also for the robot that you need to use.
I think that says it exactly right. In the world that we exist in, everything is decided by the end customer. They need modularity, they need the ability to kind of design around their large network, which is also what we plan around. So when it comes together, it's really great. We see partnering with ecosystem partners is a faster way to market for our customers. It also gives them flexibility of designing around whatever their end customer is going to need.
Thank you, Amol, and it's a big pleasure to work together with Doodle Labs.
Yeah, it's been great. Thanks for this.